Example 3.29. The coil of a moving coil galvanometer has 5 turns and each turn has an effective area 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters square. It is suspended in a magnetic field whose strength is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber per meter square. If the torsional constant K of the suspension fiber is 4 into 10 raised to minus 9 Newton meter per degree, find the current sensitivity in degree per microampere. Then calculate the voltage sensitivity of the galvanometer for it have full scale deflection of 50 divisions for 25 millivolt. Compute the resistance of the galvanometer. Now, here the moving coil galvanometer is having 5 turns. So, the number of turns is 5. Okay. And each turn is having an effective area of 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters square. It is suspended in magnetic field whose strength of the magnetic field is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 Weber per meter square. Okay. Now, the value of the torsional constant is given as 4 into 10 raised to minus 9 Newton meter per degree. Okay. Now, first thing what you have to find out the current sensitivity. You have to find it out what? Current sensitivity. So, current sensitivities can be found out using the formula. Okay. IS is equal to NAB by K. Okay. So, all the data are there. So, 2 into N is how much? 5. N is what? 5. 5 into area is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 into B is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 4 into 10 raised to minus 9. Now here it is 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 4 is 40. 40 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by 4 into 10 raised to minus 9. Now this can be written as 40 into 10 raised to 5, or you can write as 10 into 10 raised to 5, or you can write it as 10 raised to 6 divisions per ampere. You can also write this as IS is equal to 1 by 10 raised to minus 6 division per ampere. Okay. Or you can write I is equal to 1 division pi per microampere. 1 division per microampere, or you can write it as 1 division microampere raised to minus 1. So the current sensitivity is how much? 1 division per microampere. Now you can go for finding the voltage sensitivity. Second part, voltage sensitivity. Voltage sensitivity is given by the formula Vs is equal to theta by V. Now theta is how much? How many divisions? 50 divisions. So it is 50 divisions by 25 millivolt. So what is? It is 1 by, that is 2. 50 by 25 is 2. 2 by 10 raised to minus 3 division per volt. Okay, this can be written as 2 into 10 raised to 3 division per volt. The next part is the resistance of the galvanometer. So Rg is equal to Is by Vs, voltage current sensitivity by voltage sensitivity. What is your current sensitivity? 10 raised to 6 division per ampere by, here voltage sensitivity is how much? 2 into 10 raised to 3 division per volt. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 is what? 0.5. 0.5 into 10 raised to 3 volt per ampere. Division will get what? Cancel. So we can write 0.5 kilo ohm. Voltage by ampere is what? Resistance. Resistance unit is what? Ohm. So it is 0.5 kilo ohm. So that is the resistance of the galvanometer.